Protests in Los Angeles continue as the city faces the sixth day of clashes between demonstrators and Trump's immigration agents. For the latest updates on what's happening there and how the situation has impacted the Korean American community, we connect live with Lee Seung-woo, an attorney at law in Los Angeles. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great. So how serious is the situation in Los Angeles? Could you tell us what you have been seeing over the past few days? Is it safe to move around the city? How has it affected people's daily lives there?
Here, especially downtown has been very busy with the big crowds every day. Most people are peaceful, but a few have broken the window or started small fires. Police shut down nearby streets and sometimes pause the subway. If you are not going into the heart of a protest, things feel pretty normal. Shops are open and the people are working. Just give yourself extra time for travel, take a bus or ride shares, and avoid the main protest area until the evening.
So I see. As an immigration lawyer, how is the Trump administration's immigration policy affecting your clients? And how do you assess the overall situation regarding immigration raids in Los Angeles and across the country?
I see that the Trump's policy is very exceptional. It's kind of threatening people. In case of my client, they are very worried. Trump's immigration rules say small offenses like a traffic ticket, speed ticket, could lead to deportation. There are also rumors that ICE is arresting people near schools and shelters. We haven't seen huge dawn raids yet, but the fear is the same. Many are skipping early appointments and staying home in the morning and even calling out of work to be safe.
Right, I see. That sounds pretty serious. So Korean Americans in Los Angeles recently criticized Donald Trump Jr. after he posted a controversial meme mocking the unrest by referring to Rooftop Koreans from the 1992 riots. So tell us more about how the Korean American community has been responding to the latest protests.
I see that's very rude to our community. That joke hurt a lot of people. Churches and community groups put out statements asking public figures not to make light of it. Online, people use the hashtags like "not our history." And the local centers held Zoom talks where older folks shared the stories from 1992. And the young activists talked about how to stay safe today without causing more tensions.
I see. And what are some of the biggest concerns for Korean Americans in Los Angeles and across the United States? How has the Korean community been affected in terms of doing business there? And are people worried that they might have to leave the city they live in and leave the country that they live in right now?
According to recent statistics limited to Los Angeles city area, small shops in Koreatown have 20 to 30% fewer customers. Some restaurants are cutting hours because staff are afraid to commute. A few new arrivals are talking about moving to Orange County or the Inland Empire for safety and the cheaper rent. But most people love LA. Our tight community, Korean-speaking services, and job opportunities are harder to leave. If things stay tense through the summer, I think more families might look to suburbs or even other states.
I see. And we are seeing the federal government and state officials clash over the deployment of military troops to the LA protests, with the California governor now asking the court to block Trump's decision. So how do you think that will play out as the protests spread to other cities like New York and Chicago? Could this become an issue in other states as well?
in my view, there is some constitutional issues between freedom of speech and power of president. So Governor Newsom asked the court to block federal troops, saying that the Insurrection Act doesn't cover peaceful protest. If court agrees, sanctuary states can refuse federal forces. The administration may appeal to the Supreme Court before the election. Other sanctuary states like New York or Illinois could do the same. At the same time, more conservative states might ask for federal help. So some cities could have troops and others won't.
I see. All right, Mr. Lee, thank you so much for your time today. I hope you stay safe there. And thank you so much for your insight. We appreciate it.
Thank you.